Hello, I have another mechanical pencil. This one is the Zebra Graphics, Drafix, if you can see it there. This is a 0.5 millimeter. See, it's a 0.5 on the tip also. If you can, there it is. It has a LED indicator, as you can see here. You can see it says HB there. Maybe you can see that a little better. Its material is plastic. It's a cylindrical barrel all the way through, top to bottom. Metal clip, pocket clip, metal tip, non-retractable barrel. Does it rattle? It does rattle a little bit, but only at the tip. I wonder if that's something else. Eraser, let's see it. It's usually pretty small like any other. I don't know why they do that, but I mean, it's nice. Maintenance-wise, there's nothing to do the maintenance with. Some mechanical pencils will have the wire in the eraser, and that's usually where it's at. Pros and cons of this one. It's just a regular mechanical pencil. There's no uniqueness to it, other than maybe this red part. I'm pretty sure they come in different colors, like blue, yellow, maybe green. I'm not really sure of the colors. Pretty sure the barrel on all of them is black, but I could be wrong. The lead I'm using is a couple of decades old. It is the Pentel Super Hipolymer. It's the HB 0.5 millimeter. It's over 20 years old. Thought I'd give it a try to see a comparison between the most recent Pentel lead compared to the ones that are at least 30 years old. All right. Do my ABCs. One, two, three. The lines. Squigglies. And I'm going to do those lines for erasing. All right. That there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a little off on that one. Hopefully it looks okay. All right, there's the lead. Try to get the shimmer. Trying not to get the shimmer of the graphite. There's the quality of the erasing of the lead. It's pretty good, I think. Pretty clean erase. All right, that's that one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.